Unleash the excitement of RC racing with Team Corrali's premier lineup of RC cars. Renowned for their precision engineering and unparalleled performance, Team Corrali offers the best-in-class RC cars for enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your RC journey, Team Corrali has the perfect vehicle to match your skill level and preferences. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Team Corrali RC cars you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience the thrill of unmatched performance and durability with the Team Corrali Sketer XP4 WD 1/10 scale brushless monster truck, ranked as the number 5 best Team Corrali RC car. Priced at $598, this monster truck delivers a whole new level of excitement. With its 4S battery compatibility, the Sketer unleashes effortless wheelies on the ground and impressive backflips in the air. For those seeking agility, a switch to a 3S pack offers a uniquely satisfying driving experience. Crafted with innovative design, the Sketer emphasizes chassis strength, ideal suspension dynamics, and convenient features like wire routing and component cooling. Its heavy-duty components, including the Torox 135-4S ESC and Curon 725-2150 kV motor, ensure best-in-class performance. Designed for all-terrain adventures, the Sketer boasts water-resistant electronics and a chassis guard system to shield against dirt and moisture. Its unique front chassis brace and center chassis brace enhance durability, while the adjustable wheelie bar optimizes acceleration. Featuring a bulletproof steel drivetrain, precision aluminum steering, and oil-filled shocks, this monster truck promises exhilarating RC experiences for enthusiasts of all levels. Meet the Team Corrali Kronos XTR. Ranked as the number 4 best Team Corrali RC car, this groundbreaking model exemplifies unmatched performance and durability in the realm of bash machines. Boasting an innovative design that pushes the boundaries of capability, the Kronos XTR is a 1/8 scale brushless electric monster truck engineered to conquer extreme terrains and perform daring stunts with unparalleled precision. The Kronos XTR's full-time 4WD system, coupled with 3 heavy-duty differentials, ensures optimal power distribution to all 4 corners, enabling it to navigate the most challenging landscapes with ease. With the XTR designation signifying extreme capability, this model is tailored for those seeking adrenaline-fueled thrills. Its robust construction includes premium materials such as aluminum shocks, CNC cut gears, and aerospace-quality ball bearings, ensuring unrivaled durability and performance. Featuring a host of cutting-edge components like adjustable aluminum shock absorbers, CNC machine chassis braces, and heavy-duty drivetrain, the Kronos XTR sets a new standard for RC vehicles, priced at $480. Discover the Asuga XLR 6S RTR buggy by Team Corrali, a game-changer in the world of RC driving. This groundbreaking buggy surpasses traditional 1/8 buggies by an impressive 15%, delivering an unmatched driving experience. Meticulously crafted for speed, durability, and handling, the Asuga XLR stands out as the epitome of RC boogie excellence. Size matters, and the Asuga XLR proves it with superior ground clearance, enhanced suspension range, and robust components. Built on an innovative chassis, it harnesses the power and reliability of Team Corrali's celebrated 6S drivetrain system. Notable features include impressive parts interchangeability with legacy models, a robust aluminum-based chassis, a stable hybrid central chassis brace mechanism, a precision-crafted adjustable motor dock, and robust aluminum shocks with tuning. Equipped with a dynamic brushless engine, stable ESC, and high-speed steering servo, the Asuga XLR promises precise control, exhilarating speed, and unmatched resilience. Priced at $718, the Asuga XLR offers unparalleled value for RC enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and innovation. Introducing the Team Corrali Kagama, ranked as the number 2 best Team Corrali RC car. This monstrous 1/8 scale truck is not just an RC car, it's an adrenaline-packed experience designed to thrill bashers of all levels. Priced at $750, the Kagama is a testament to Team Coralli's commitment to pushing boundaries in the RC world. Boasting a 6S-capable ESC and a powerful 2050 kV brushless motor, the Kagama delivers unparalleled off-road excitement, redefining what's possible in RC performance. Its redesigned chassis, hybrid braces, and innovative suspension system inherited from the Asuga ensure durability and precision, even in the most extreme bashing sessions. With its masterful suspension precision and high-performance drivetrain, the Kagama dominates any terrain with confidence and ease. Its precision-engineered suspension arms, durable chassis braces, and robust shock absorbers guarantee controlled precision, while its CNC bevel gears and spring steel outdrives ensure uninterrupted power delivery. Equipped with trusted electronics and dynamic lightweight wheels, the Kagama offers an electrifying RC experience like no other. Whether you choose the ready-to-run model or the rolling chassis version for customization, the Kagama promises exceptional performance, inviting you to explore new terrains and conquer challenges with ease. Say hello to the Team Coralli Spark XP6, the pinnacle of 1/8 scale bash buggies designed to redefine your RC experience. Embrace a new era of adventure with the Spark, meticulously crafted to excel in the art of bashing. This revolutionary model, born from customer feedback and innovation, is a testament to Team Coralli's commitment to excellence. The Spark XB6 stands out from the crowd with its unwavering focus on durability and performance. Engineered to conquer any terrain, it boasts top-tier materials and impeccable craftsmanship, ensuring it can tackle the most challenging obstacles with ease. Customize your journey with two available versions: a hassle-free, ready-to-run package or a rolling chassis option for personalized electronics. With 3 stunning color combinations to choose from, the Spark offers both style and substance. Unleash the power of the Torox 185A ESC and Kuron 2050 kV brushless motor, coupled with precise steering control from the HV7225 Metal Gear servo. Every detail, from the hardened steel drivetrain to the oil-filled threaded shocks, is meticulously designed for maximum performance and durability. Experience unmatched handling and stability thanks to the bash-proof suspension system, reinforced chassis, and high downforce wing. Join the revolution today and conquer any terrain with the Team Coralli Spark XB6, priced at $631. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.